To program the FS230 using PDM, you first want to start out with the Device Integration Manager in order to integrate the DLL. So let's open this up. Accept. Read device descriptors from compressed source. Find the service channel. Open. Select all. Integrate. And this step is finished. Close. Open Device Manager and check what your USB port is set to. In this case, it's COM4. Open up PDM. Click Yes. File. New. Give it a name. Hit OK. Go to Networks. Insert new object. Communications network. You don't have to give it a name. Device type. It's going to be Modbus. Modbus network. OK. Hit OK again. Now you have this computer icon, PC. Double click to open. COM port interface. Double click to open. Find the communications tab. And what was my port number? 4. 4. Hit OK. Double click. Communication. You could set this for the highest baud rate, by the way, which is 128,000. Hit OK. Right click. Insert new object. Object. And now this is the device type. We want the service channel. This for the meter type that we're communicating with. This is a hydrocarbon meter. Hit OK. Hit OK again. Double click. It puts it to the left side. Right click to open object. Upload to PC. Start. Close. And now everything that was on the meter is imported into PDM. To go through a startup wizard, you click on Devices, Wizards, and there are 2. And you go through them each. And that's it.